Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to install Fortnite on any iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have the App Store open here. If you tap on the search icon at the bottom right here, and then just type in Fortnite, you'll see that it does not come up, and that's because Apple and Fortnite and the owner Epic Games is having all kinds of legal kind of battles about, charging fees and who gets what and all that stuff. So the App Store has technically removed Fortnite from it. However, there's a trick to be able to install it again. We'll go out of here and we'll tap on the little profile icon at the top right here. And then you'll want to find the purchased tab and just tap on that, and then my purchases. And what this shows you is every single app that you've downloaded or purchased. You'll want to type in Fortnite on here. If you've ever downloaded or installed Fortnite on your iOS or your iCloud account, then it'll pop up with Fortnite and you'll just be able to hit the install button. You can see that I haven't done that, so I'm not able to install Fortnite. However, the workaround here is just to go to somebody else, say, find a friend that has Fortnite, ask them to log in onto your iCloud, onto your App Store, and then just do that same thing. Once they've logged in under their account, you can go in, type Fortnite into the purchase field, and then download Fortnite, and then they can log back out and you can log into your own account. But really, if you haven't previously installed it or downloaded it and it's not in your purchased, the best option is just to find somebody that already has it installed and to use their account. Just ask them if they would be willing to log into your account, their account on your phone, so that you can install the app. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.